Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation as camera remote. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to click on this digital crown to open applications on your watch. Then, scroll down until you will see this application which looks like a camera. Click on it, and after a few whiles on your phone will also open a camera. Your phone will work as a camera and your watch as a camera remote, so you'd be able to point your phone at any object that you want to make a photo of and simply click on this white circle to make a photo. Now let's move on to the settings. To open these settings, we would need to click on these three dots that you can see on the right corner. First thing that we can see right here is a timer. If you will enable it, it will wait 3 seconds until take each photo. Or if you are always ready, you can disable this function. Then second option is camera. You can choose front or rear. Third option is flash. You can leave it on auto and the flash will work every time when your environment is too dark, or it will not work if your environment is light enough. Then next thing is live photo. You can leave it on auto, enable it or disable it. And the last thing right here is HDR. You can also enable it or disable it. After you are done with the changes, simply click on done. And now you know how to use your watch as a camera remote control. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.